AI is not just making work easier, it's also one of the best ways to make money online. You can start earning from home by using AI today. In this video, I'll share top 3 AI-powered side hustles that you can start right now. Hustle 1. AI-generated content creation. If you enjoy writing or creating videos, AI tools can help you start a profitable content creation business. How does it work? Use ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Copy.ai to write articles. Design AI-generated social media posts with Canva and Adobe Firefly. Create YouTube shorts and faceless videos with Pictory and InVideo. Earnings potential. Blog writing, $50 to $500 per article. Social media posts, $10 to $100 per post. YouTube automation, $500 to $5,000 per month. If you want to work smart with AI, this side hustle is perfect for you. Hustle number 2. AI-powered digital marketing services. Businesses today need social media marketing and ad management more than ever. With AI, you can offer these services even if you're a beginner. How does it work? Create ad content. Use Canva AI and AdCreative.aa for professional ad designs. SEO and copywriting. Optimize websites using Surfer SEO and ChatGPT. Social media management. Automate posts and captions using Predis.ai and Okoya. Earnings potential. Freelancing, $300 to $3,000 per client. Social media management, $500 to $2,000 per month. Ad management, 10% 30% commission on ad spend. With AI tools, you can start a profitable digital marketing agency with zero experience. Hustle 3. AI voiceover and video editing services. AI has made voiceovers and video editing incredibly easy. If you have basic editing skills, this hustle is a game changer. How does it work? Use ElevenLabs and Murph AI to generate high-quality voiceovers. Video editing. Edit faster with Runway ML and Descript. Faceless YouTube videos. Create and sell videos using Pictory and Synthesia. Earnings potential. Voiceover services, $50 to $300 per project. Video editing, $100 to $1,000 per video. YouTube automation, $1,000 plus per month. If you want to start a video or audio-related side hustle, AI tools can make your job a lot easier. So, these were the top 3 AI side hustles that you can start today. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. If you want more AI-based money-making ideas, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Until then, work smart, earn more.